Let's try some object removal and get rid of that car. To achieve that, we go to the color page. And in the color page, we make sure that our power windows in the drop-down menus are enabled. Then we go to our windows. I choose the pen tool here. And then I do a rough selection of our car. And then I'm going right beside it to the tracker and hit the back and forth tracker and hope that it will do a very good job. Yeah, it looks like it did a very good job in tracking. In the effects panel here, I'm now searching for object removal, drop it on our node, and then nothing changes. And this is because we have to analyze the scene. So we hit analyze scene. And we see already that it does an amazing job. And that is pretty cool, yes. To make it better, we hit build clean plate, and you will usually have to build a clean plate. Because it's always these tutorials that you see, they look amazing, they work great, and then you try it with your own footage and you get all frustrated because it's always your footage that's different from everything else, and I understand your frustration. Especially in the object removal, you will have to do a lot of trial and error. So you have a scene mode, what's standard in Boundary. If it doesn't work out that well, you can always try to go to background and it analyzes the entirety of the frame or object, and it really only analyzes, in this case, the car. But boundaries worked very well here. For the blend mode, you can go for linear. If you wanted to adapt light changes, you can better go to the adaptive mode. The light changes can be very subtle. And in most cases, always build a clean plate. You will always see some things within your selection that don't look right, that are gray or somehow weird, and then you have to fiddle around with all the settings. So this was a very lucky thing here. Don't get frustrated when it's your footage where it's a lot more work. That's just normal. The life of an editor isn't fair. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have fun with the next one in this playlist and consider subscribing. You help me a lot. Thank you very much.